Welcome to the Terry Frost Building, Leeds, where modern student living meets ultimate convenience. Let's take a look at what makes this property a standout choice for your student journey. The fully furnished bedrooms are spacious and designed for comfort, with plenty of storage. The sleek kitchen is perfect for all your culinary needs, while the private washrooms ensure a fresh start to your day. When it's time to focus, the dedicated study areas offer a quiet space to hit the books. Need a break? Relax in the cinema room, lounge with friends, or head to the rooftop terrace for stunning views. Location-wise, you're just a 20-minute commute to Leeds University and 15 minutes to Leeds Beckett University. Aldi is only a 4-minute walk, and the Trinity Shopping Centre is a short 15-minute stroll away. The Terry Frost Building offers flexible payment options with all utility bills included. Choose from termly, annual, or 10 installment payments, with no extra charges for installments. UK guarantors are required for installment payments. Enjoy 24/7 security, contents insurance, bike storage, and an on-site gym. Book your room today at the Terry Frost Building and live in style, just steps from everything Leeds has to offer.